Good morning, what's up? Nandito sa
Andito na naman kami.
Sagada.
Good morning.
O, diba ang lamig? Mukha kaming mga
Yes.
binalot ng
Mga
ulo.
ewan.
Oo. Dito kami sa Sagada ngayon. Mapunta kami sa Sumaging Cave. We are going to Sumaging Cave.
บันเลยสวัสดีครับบันเลย
Anong baloy?
Your carrying. If you will feel that one into the dead body, you are very smelly. That word will come back to you. You are more smellier if you will get die soon.
Sige. Sige, keep on walking.
I'm amazed. Did you say the pines that have been planted? They're not native. Yeah. No, because the bush is different here.
The bush is different here.
A bit more scraggy, sort of not that rainforesty, dry out. Although it will depend on which side of the mountain too.
Ano ba? Ano sinabi niya?
Yung ano po,
Libingan.
During the burial day naman dito.
What's wrong with him?
Oh, Pastor Rick?
Saying he's allergic to food. Are you?
Wow.
camera.
Yeah, we must.
That's okay. So get the whole scene.
Going down.
May water po ba yan minsan, kuya?
Doon sa dulo. Sa gitna, sa gitna.
Ang lamig ng bato.
Anong pangalan ng kuya ba? Lumyang Cave.
Lumyang ba? Hindi ba sumangging?
Iba pa yung sumaking. Doon tayo lalabas sa sumaging.
Lalabas tayo sa Sumaging.
Put again the skeletons. Okay?
Oh, so they've replaced the bones,
Yes.
but they put new coffins.
Yeah. Okay, so welcome to Lumyang Burial Cave.
Lumyang.
Yes, the name of this cave is Lumyang. And Lumyang is came from the word liang, which means cave. In our dialect, we call the cave liang. And the first one that was buried here, the name is Liangan. So as you can see here, there are lots of piled coffins. Some are short and some are long. The short ones doesn't mean that they are small people or they are children. They buried them in fetal position. That's the explanation of Dr. Scott, a missionary who came here in 1900s. That we came from fetal position and will go back same position.
We're inside the cave.
Photo of the commander here or looking at photo.
Got him.
So, the question now is, how do we get there? So, the way is over there. At dito ang daan. Hello. Teacher, papunta kami dyan. Okay na? Okay.
Sa Lumyang Cave,
Through the whole.
we expect that this is a big cave, but all the ways they are more on small holes. So kindly always take care of your head and then always widen your eyes. Then no holding hands to each other.
No holding hands.
Yeah, we are only the one that.
Hey, no holding hands. Hey, you too. No holding hands.
Oh, no PDA ha? Those covers here.
No holding hands. Hey, hey, you too.
And then the weakest link among of us.
I can video everyone else.
Meron na nauna.
At lahat,
Ulo mo. Nandun po, mailaw na siya. Siya yung taga-ilaw.
si Ate Lit ang paunahin mo.
Second year lang ako.
Hindi, ako mauna, Ate Let.
Sige, mauna ka. So, and then I can be the third.
Mahuhuli ka si Ate Let. Pag nagpahuli ka, Ate Let, mahuhuli ka na.
Okay, see. Like this. Sit down here, and then right foot here in this corner. Like
Okay.
this. Sit down,
Sit down.
and then left hand.
Left
Push.
hand. Push.
Push
Okay.
this, give it weight, and then
Okay.
left foot slide.
It was slippery. Okay, let.
Slowly sit down. Sit down, and then
Okay.
slowly sit down.
We'll wait for Kuya. Paano to
And then here, stay.
Go, Ate Let. Galing na, Ate Let, oh.
Full weight, give me your full weight, so that you...
Ako din, sabi ko, nahiya
Sa
ako.
mabibigat.
Put heavy weight on him. Heavy weight on him.
Okay?
Give her your arm.
Kuya, na ano na to ng
Di Wendy, kami.
Karen, ano? Davila? Ay, wala pa.
Jessica Soho.
Na-video na ba, kuya? Kuya.
Huwag maingay, tingin magising yung mga bat. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Kami po ngayon ay pinapasok ang isa sa pinakamagandang cave dito sa Sagada, ang Sumaging Cave. Samahan niyo po kaming madulas, madaba,
May ipit at maumpog.
mataihan ng bats. Ano, sama ka? Sama ka?
Handa na ba ako? Square.
Ano pabalik, love? Uwi ka na?
Tayo dito babalik.
Kaya doon tayo sa
Kabila tayo, Ate Let.
sumigang, ano?
Sa kabila, lusot natin, Ate Let.
Lulusot tayo doon, malaking butas. Kuya muna.
Sige, kan.
Sige.
Sige, sunod ka. Dalawa kayo. Din ako muna.
La 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 la. Okay, and the question is, how long it's gonna take? Sa gitna ng bato.
I will take my camera.
Oh my God.
Di na ako kasya. At ulit, pag kumain tayo ng dalawang kainan, hindi na tayo kasya dito.
Nag-a-adjust nga yung bato sa
Hindi, flexible yung butas. Sige, sunod ka, ma'am. Sunod ka.
Okay na, kasunod. May bangin. Go, Ate Let. Sabi ko,
Kakasya ka? Hindi, yung bag mo.
Hindi, maliit na. Okay. Malaking accident. Sino yung ano mo?
naglulusot. Parang daga. Hanap daw ng butas. Ang dilim.
Amin daw ang kamay mo, Daisy.
Ay, oo nga, hindi ko abot. Hindi ko abot.
Sige, sige. O, paano yan?
Ay, sumaya ka.
Ito ang abot, Ate Let.
Eh, paano yan? Pinag-video mo ako. Sige.
Oh, ito na.
Salamat sa Diyos. Nagtatawanan nyo tuloy yung
Nanganak ulit tayo, Ate Let.
lahat tayo magiging bagong sila.
Sandali, ha? Hindi pa ako nakaputing.
Pinuputol pa yung umbilical cord.
Magpapabeauty muna uli. Oh my God. Sige.
And congratulations, you're born again.
Parang mahirap dyan natin.
Teacher Lynette.
Mag-shape yung
Teacher Lynette.
Teacher Lynette,
Okay, maghanap na lang tayo ng ibang ibang lagusan.
Akala ko hindi ako magkakasya.
Ako din eh.
Ano lang pala, no?
Ang saya.
Dad,
Two hands.
Pastor, isisilang ka na ulit.
Again, para papunta sa ilalim. Panganakan.
ang mga sasabit, ang mukha, ilayo ang mukha sa mukha.
Ngayon yung feeling ng bagong silang, Pastor. Every corner. I've had one of you over there.
All the tunnels. That's the fun part. Dito po.
Ay, nag-stuck lang.
Stuck. Yep.
Ay, kuya, wait lang.
Uy, wala kaming ilang kuya.
Baba kayo, baba.
Let's sideways. Sideways. Yeah. Galing ni ate.
So pagdating niya doon sa may may Mr. Rin, harap tayo dito.
Maikli ang pa ako, tapos nadudulas pa ako dito. Sandali.
Pinapagalitan mo, kuya. Relax. Let.
Maikli ang pa ako talaga. Ay, ang pwede. Mayroon naman pala.
Great job, Ate Wendy. More.
Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
There you go.
Hold tight. Ay,
Oops.
hold tight. Slippery talaga. Sandali, tulungan natin.
Okay lang, Ate Let. Oy, Ate Let, di kayo kasya dyan, Ate Let. Hindi kayo kasya.
Yes. Hold. It's slippery, my dear. You need to hold on the rack. The next.
Si Teacher Lynette, dahunoy ra na si Teacher.
May tagabukid mo. Tagabundok man eh.
Go, Pastor, madulas.
This kay madadaan.
Ay, sorry. Hindi video ko.
May bukas. May nagsila ko dito.
Oh, what are you doing?
Yeah, here. Let's sit down.
Go, Renz. Renz, I'm so... Ba't ka nakabigak? Ano yan, zipline?
Dad, madulas yan. Ito yung bato.
Ang bilis na nila ng haba ng paa.
Kapit dyan, kapit.
Umupo ka, Renz, madulas ka.
Kapit lang sa bato. Sobrang dulas, my dear.
Are you getting it over?
Of course. All the suffering, I'm gonna record it.
This is another survival.
Yeah, I want to see this later. It'll be good.
Dito lang.
The sliding lady here.
Si Pastor Rick ang abangan natin. Pastor Rick!
He is being possessed now.
You should all get photos of him now.
Video.
On Twitter. Facebook. Tagalogin mo kuya, Tagalogin mo.
Baba na, there is...
Sa kanan. Hold the rope.
Hold the rope, Pastor, hold the rope.
Hold the rope.
It's too slippery. Sit down daw, sit down, sit down.
Down.
Hello, Pastor.
Hold the rope.
We're all watching you, Pastor.
We're all watching you, huh? You capturing it on film?
Yeah.
No, you don't. You can't.
Hang on.
Hold the rope. Hold the rope.
Wow.
Again.
Wow, Pastor, ang galing mo. Pastor, your little tummy is coming out. Sit down lang, sit down. Pastor, sit down. Sit down.
Lab.
You need to sit down and reach.
Ilang times na niya yan dito. Anong ulit?
Hindi ba na naman ng rope siguro?
Hindi niya na maalala yung ano eh. Yung birthing station eh.
Ano niya?
Lab. Dito na oh, nagmumove na dito. Naipon na tayo dito sa lugar.
Wait.
Tandaan si Kuya.
When this rope sits easier. May butas pa yan dyan.
Daan, saya ng wall climbing dun banda.
Ano, hindi abot. Hindi abot. Oh my God.
Kumanta ka, Tilet. Renzo, nilagaw mo rin.
Ay, hold, Ate Wendy.
Stand up, and then cross over. Don't turn around. Face your direction. You cross over your right foot.
Right foot.
In front. Okay. Pastor, tuwang-tuwa ka sa...
Look at that, ang bangin, oh.
Ito ata yung
Ang bangin,
pinakamahirap. Kasi bababa na tayo. Sana naman yan, ha? Sino na isusunod?
Pastorik na.
Renz, ano yun si Ate Wendy, Renz? Basta ba't naging katoliko ka?
Naihi ka, Pastor. Grabe, bangin kaya yan. Bangin.
Asa sila?
Pinaka-adventurous.
Forward. Sa swimming pool.
Ayan sayang, Sepi. Adyan sa Sepi.
Hello, magandang umaga
breaking
po.
news, breaking news.
Breaking news. To break the news. We're here inside. Mahirap. Pinagpapawisan yung paa na malamig yung kamay. Magbabalik po ako maya-maya lang.
Beautiful place. A place that I will not return anymore.
A place of no return,
But it's
Pastor.
beautiful. Awesome.
It's great.
Pastor Rick, is your shorts wet?
No.
Akala ko naihi ka, Pastor eh.
Sino sinasabi na ngayon, may biyak na ba itong
What's next? Sit and slide. Okay.
Go, Ate Wendy. Pastor Rick. Kitang-kita kita, Ate Let. Green na green ka. Ay, Pastor.
We survive.
Hindi pa, Pastor. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Pastor, ready ka na ba sa paakyat? Okay.
Sige, tayo nga. Tayo
Okay.
ka sa akin.
Okay.
Dito, dalawang pa dito muna.
Natural monkey, Pastor. Bye now. Wow. Diyan na?
See, we're on our destination.
Okay, we're going up there and
We will enter now the uterus of this cave, the uterus.
Uterus.
How many times do we need to pass through the uterus?
We are entering now.
Through the birth. This is the birth canal.
and it's not going right.
That was hard. You must have found that a breeze, did you, Chris? You must have found that a breeze.
But he always does it with
Go, Ate Wendy.
Namamatay na yung ilaw ng kanina na.
Oo nga, no? Pumipink na ba?
Maganda reserve mo, patay nga muna habang may ilaw sila. Para mamaya kung... That is mas mahirap.
That's the hero you're all walking.
Walwal.
That's what you do in Caribbean.
Sit down.
Pastor Rick. There you go, the Master Buanasan. The Master Buanasan. Lumuma na agad.
Butas na, Pastor.
Butas na.
Hold the rope. Hold the rope.
Okay, good. Don't roll.
Hold the rope.
Parang semento ito na, ano eh. Parang semento.
Ah, yeah. Stalactites.
Ito na yung stalactites.
Stalactites.
Stalactites comes from the ceiling going down that forms the stalagmite. So the remaining mineral into the water, they are the ones.
Can you feel it?
Becoming stalactite.
what?
This is the stalagmite.
Wow.
Pasok tayo sa ating simbahan.
May cathedral.
Si Kuya Tor yung magiging pare natin.
Ah, may water na. Dali. Ang ganda ng water. Hindi na.
Wow. I-ano na natin yung ano. Okay na kami.
Will, doon sa kubeta, sa taas ng state namin, may kubeta doon para isang one for women, one for men. And the sign says, walang mangoes, my mangoes.
What does this mean?
Walang mangoes, my mangoes.
Ang lalim. Eh, lalim. Sige, Pastor Rick. Masarap ba yung mga mango niya? Take picture of you over there. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Wow.
I did with Daddy Chris on it. Solo picture. I did. Wait lang tayo sila muna. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Wow, that's a nice one.
Aray ko.
Sige. Sige.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, so where's the direction?
We're turning off our lights.
Turn off mo yung lights.
See how
mo.
dark it is.
Okay.
How dark. Okay ka lang dyan ha. Darkness, total darkness.
Remote. Oh, ibang kulay.
Last one over there. Papatay totally, kuya. Wow.
Game.
Renz, halika na, Renz.
Ano, brava? Sa baba, okay?
Doon ka picture sa. One, two, three. Dahan-dahan natin ulit.
Kuya, yung flashlight nyo na yan.
Nandiyan na yung mga bats. Mabaho.
Ano na siya? Parang may
Ayan na.
feed, no? Parang may feed siya sa tigat, no?
Oh, pero yung gamit sa ilawan.
Huwag ka man panik. Kuya, pwede mo silang ilawan, hindi?
Oh, yun na, yun na.
Dito kayo sa flat para hindi ko mahulog dyan bago natin ilawan.
Bawalan kayo, no?
Ilawan natin.
Ang baho. Ayun na sila.
Parang may naguhulog eh.
Ay, dami. Ilan dami?
Galit sila sa naka-bring.
O baka itihan tayo niyan.
Kaya nga may cover sa ulo eh.
Ayun ang bata.
Marami pa doon, yung lahat ng itim doon.
So dito nakatira si Dracula.
Yan, yung itim na yan, yan. Doon.
Ayun na.
Ayun!
Hindi, ba importante yung dapat alert yung nakasuot ng green kasi yun talagang ano, sinitira nila.
Narudulas kasi madulas talaga to. Pero nung nataniman nila dun sa itaas ng isang klase ng tree that produces water.
The big stalagmite.
Nakikita nyo yung liwanag na yun? Yan yung...
Hello. Go, slide, slide. Grabe. Look at that. Dyan po. Kami sa loob ng kuweba madilim pag walang ilaw. Yung man naman itong wala climbing. Ay, Pastor Rica. Ano yung sakripisyo eh. Bakit sa kabilang side ka dumaan, Pastor Rick?
Kasi dyan pwede sila magpadulas-dulas lang.
Pastor,
Hindi mo hinahabangan si Pastor Rick.
just sit down, Pastor. Sit down. Just sit down. Sit down. Sit, sit.
Butas para sa mga malaking buhay.
Ren, spread the prayer daw.
No, anong pasanan?
I pray you'll be...
Ready?
Sino una?
Kayo yun, bago.
1, 2, 3, go.
I pray you'll be alright and guide us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace, to a place where we will be safe.
Huwag na magmaten sa violenza, un mundo di giustizia e speranza. Huwag na unudian la mano vicina, simbolo de pace e fraternità. La forza che si dà.
Ito.
Ah, okay.
Ah.
Ah.
It's rack. O, diba? Ito, ang ganda. Parang marmol. Yung pattern niya parang...
Yes, wala pa akong solo dito.
Oh, mag-solo ka. Habang may ilaw ako, may spotlight ako.
Yan po, oh.
Ingat lang sa pag-apak, baka tatanong.
Ingat sa pag-apak, baka gumalaw ah.
Smile! Oh,
During rainy season, this is a frog pool.
1, 2, 3.
It's already
Wow.
frog only, no pool.
1, 2, 3. Ah. Ito parang meeting place. Dami-daming mga hikers.
Yan lang daw yung cave. Tayo kasi naglumiyang. Sa sumagin.
Palabas na kami.
Yan lang yung sumagin, kuya. Wait lang.
Ito naman ang parang elephant. Oh, yung ano. Kambal na elephant.
I will never have to do it again until my next generation.
They're getting this?
I love the fact that kung tayo lang.
Palabas na kami. Yeah!
This is one of the best types of bed sheet you can get. The compressed one. It's not slippery. It's not fresh, but not so old.
Fossilized.
It's almost bed sheet. You can take some home.
Yuck.
Grabe. Life-threatening ba, Pastor?
Yeah, life-threatening. No, it's something to tell your grandchildren.
Kaya nga eh. Even my kids, pastor eh.
Something to tell them.
Don't try it. Don't you dare. Ah, palabas na. I can see the light.
He was joking.
Hala! Ang taas pa na akyatin.
Kasi ito, ibubuga na tayo ng kalamunan ng kuiba na to.
Diba?
Ito yung lalabanan niya. This is the throat of this
Ah.
where you can really feel the wind of change.
Oh, I can feel the air.
Lighting.
Then, have a stay here first.
Okay.
Bye.
Pahingan.
Will you do this again today?
Yeah.
Yes?
But if you want to enter, I will. Yeah.
Palakpakan! Oh.